She's going up, yes. Keeping traction. Whoa, keep... G'day viewers, out and about today, got a free morning here. It's nice to be out and about. I bet I get wet, no doubt. It'll start raining on me somewhere, but I can't complain. We do need the rain, we always need rain here, and it's beautiful and green everywhere, which is a change because this time of year it can be stinking hot. It's November, so usually it's coming out of spring, but you can get these heat waves. I remember some November days you get up to 40, but not at the moment. It's nice and cool. Wearing my new jacket, and it seems to be quite warm. Bought it once before, took it out on some local trails, and found out they were private road. Got chased out of there. The jacket was too hot. The tracks were too steep and the jacket was too hot. So anyway, more later. Yeah, so in other news, I bought myself one of those electric mountain bikes, e-bike, pedal assist one. Because I got the stupidest looking one, the one with the big fat tyres. And of course I took it day one down the steepest trail I could find down to the river and then found I couldn't pedal back up the hill because I couldn't get it out of the higher gear, and it was too steep and too many steps to pedal up, so I had to push the thing up the hill. It was down a track, very thin narrow track with lots of tree roots and things. So I've been on it 4 days in a row since I got it. Every day, trying to get fit and healthy. Suffice to say that every muscle in my body aches at the moment. I'm too old for adventurous mountain biking. Let's get to the local tracks. There are some good little local tracks that people have made. So that was good fun, but I'm paying for it now. So I'm out on the Ural for a bit of a rest. I think if I keep up with it, in about a month I might be able to handle the tracks down there. You've got to know your limitations, but it'll be good exercise. We'll see how we go with that. And as I head up this hill, I can see the clouds are closing in. I think the last time I came up here it rained on me, so every time I attempt to get out of lockdown, it rains. We'll see how far we go. I've got some places I want to explore. State forest I haven't been to before, so we'll see if we get that far before the rain hits us. See if there's any decent trails down there to have a look at. So as we get up to light speed for the Ural, I'll talk to you later.
Recording.
So I haven't been this way before. Look out for trains. There's a railway museum just down the tracks there. I'll get hit by a steam train. Away we go. Oh well, that trail's closed. That's a bummer. Vertebrate pest control program in progress. Baiting dogs and cats, I suppose. Oh well, we'll go and explore a bit further. Okay, well the sun is out at the moment, so it's turning out okay. So this looks more like it. So we're out exploring now. Never been down this road, never been there before, and I don't know if this is the right way. I might have to go up Wombian Caves Road and turn right a bit further on, I think, but anyway, we'll find out. We'll let Garmin decide at the moment, but it is magically green out here, pretty green. So onward we go. Magpies on the road. The dams are full and the fields are green. Must be happy farmers. So I think the forest is out that way. So we'll find out. There's been a bit of rain, so wish me luck in the mud. Bit of clay about, I'd say. We'll find out. Never fear, we have the Max tracks on hand. Expert. I should be turning right here. Well, here we are. Mt Jellore Lane. Let's see what's up here. Puddle. Go around the puddle. No worries. This road might get interesting by the look of it. Ooh, some erosion humps. Well, this looks interesting, viewers. We'll see where it takes us. The track is named Mt Jellore Road, so you probably have to go up, I'd say. We'll find out. Oh, a little log to get stuck on. No dramas. Well, easy going down these hills. I hope I can get back up them. It probably looks flat to you, but it's not that flat. But it is an unexpected surprise. It looks like a pretty good road to explore, and I heard that the Nature Reserve road was closed, but the gate was open, so bonus. I didn't expect to be able to get down here. So let's make the most of it. Most tracks get shut and never open again, don't they? That's the problem. road's not too bad. I thought it would be, when I saw those first early puddles, I thought it would be very wet, but it's a pretty well maintained road, I'd say. Still interesting little washouts and sandy patches. As here, a little bit of sand. A little bit of sand like this is fun on the Ural. Not too much sand. Let's not have too much adventure. We've come a fair way. This track goes a fair way. But which way? Oh. Jellore, Flora. Vehicles not permitted off-road. Yeah, okay. Well, we'll go left and come back and go right later on. Well, how awesome is this road? All these years I've just driven past it and never been down here. Oh, look at that view over all the burnt forest. I've had a lot of bushfires here over the last couple of years, and you can see the trees are just making their comeback now. Opened up some of the views, but it's amazing how some trees are not touched and other trees are burnt. Oh, now we're getting a bit interesting. Oh well, let's keep going. I think I can get back up here with a bit of Ural power. Well, I'm assuming that is Mt Jellore. Poor old burnt trees here. They're starting to make a comeback, but a lot of these ones are actually very good. Well, the road has been awesome. We've come down there, and here we are. The road surface is pretty good. Go off the road a little bit. It's very soft. There's the view from this corner. We need to go, well, we don't need to, but we'll go down the hill here. That's looking a bit steep. I'll go down to the next stop there and we'll have a look from the jump off point there, but I've got to get back up here. That's the problem. Anyway, there's the mighty Ural in front of Mt Jellore. Oh, okay. Let's have a look down this hill.
Phone connected.
Oh. Now let's have a look. Going down's no problem. I think the ground is hard enough to give us some good traction coming back up. So let's not worry. What's the worst can happen? We can get stuck. Oh, I think I better stop and have a look here. The road sort of disappears below that hump there. And I can't see where it goes. I shall stop and have a look. I'm thinking. I'm thinking.
Recording.
Okay, I'm going to keep going because it's no worse than what I've been down already. And I can't really turn around here. So we're going to press on. Because at least if I turn around down the bottom, I'll have a run up. traction seems pretty good, even though it'll be off camber in some places, which may not be that much fun. We're down. We might be camping here tonight. I bought a mandarin. Can I survive the night on a mandarin and a bottle of water? I'd have to hunt my prey. Anyway, that's the worst of it, I hope. And hopefully we can get through the rest of it. Oh, it's getting a bit muddy down here. But we've come this far, we've got to explore up the hill here. That's another hill. This will be kind of good practice. This is an easy hill. Be good practice for going up the other one. Oh, another gate open for me. They're luring me in. The tracks are luring me on as they get a little bit tougher as we go. Don't mind the sandy bits. Oh well, this is the end of the track. I'll have a look out here. Well, there you go. That was worth it to come down here. Don't fall off the edge. Well, that's pretty spectacular. We are Jellore Nature Reserve. There's the wilderness out there.
Recording.
Okay, this sun is pretty hot, and I'm a bit worried that a sudden storm will come and I'll be riding up that big snotty hill in the wet. So let's head out of here. We've got to attempt the big hill. But fantastic trail. Could we have bitten off more than we could chew here? Well, let's find out. As long as the back tyre keeps traction, we should be okay. So let's see what happens when we get back to that hill. It's a bit of mud here. Okay, well, I think I'm coming up to the big hill now. with a bit of trepidation. Hopefully the Ural just tracks straight up it. If it loses traction, it could be a bit of a drama. A little bit nervous, but let's see what happens. Probably shouldn't have come down there. We'll see if I'm going to regret it. I just wish first gear wasn't so tall. To go wide here and then try and turn and get a run up. Here we go, this is the steepest part. Just trying to keep traction. Yeah, she's going up, yes. Keeping traction. Whoa, keep lean left. We're off camber there. Last part. Keep traction. Come on, Ural, you can do it. Up that hill. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, what was I worried about? Awesome beast. Now the next one. Keep traction. Easy and keep traction. Whoop. Yeah, no worries. Awesome. If it was any wetter, we might be in trouble, but good solid base to grip on. And those Heidenau tyres are pretty good. Oh, yes. Well, we're pushing the limits of the Ural coming up there, but I think she's got a bit more left in her yet. Well, I feel much better now. We're up the hill. Woo! That was a bit of a worry. Ooh. And there was a road to the right I was going to explore. These tracks have gone on forever. Alright, sit back in the saddle now. Well, that was fun, viewers. If I said I wasn't worried, I'd be lying. I'm glad all those gates were open. Alright, we'll see where the other track goes in a minute.
Recording.
Oh well. Another hill to get up here. No, it doesn't look too bad. Just to worry when you can't see what's over those erosion humps. Oh, no dramas. It's another long track. So I'm on the right hand option here, and so we're travelling along a ridge line. Looks like there's a gate. Maybe that's someone's property. I hope I can turn around at this gate. Oh shit. Oh shit. There's no option to turn around at the gate. There should be an option where you can turn around and ride backwards. I'm hugging this side because I don't want to go over the edge. What are you doing? Oh, right up the trail. Oh, nearly flung myself off. Okay. We're out of there. places that the mighty Ural takes you. Back down to get the camera. Boulders here. Right, awesome view from here too. Okay, so by my calculations, the road should get easier from now on. All the big hills should be done with, so we can just relax and enjoy the scenery. Oh, what a beautiful day. It's a bit hot now, coming up those hills. Catch a bit of cool breeze. Good time of year for riding at the moment. I like riding in the autumn and the spring, and the winter. Summer, not so much. You'll hear me complaining about how bloody hot it is soon. Putting all the gear on, heading out for a ride. You've got to go early morning, late afternoon. Watch out for the critters, but it's no fun sweating your guts out. There's a log we got over last time. Oh, we got over it. So it's been an awesome trail. Awesome. I was going to say, awesome's an overused word, but it was good fun. Just perfect for the Ural. Few little bog holes up here. No worries. Came in this way, yep. Hill here. Spoke too soon. See where I've come over the erosion humps. It's just easy rolling down. Rolling down. Look how green it is. It's never this green out in the bush, I tell you. We've had a decent amount of rain lately. And we get a few hot days that will be like a glass house and everything will grow like mad. The thing about riding off-road in the Ural is when you're on a normal two-wheeler you can just pick your line and go for it, but with the Ural you've got to pick your line, but you also got to be aware of how wide you are and where the sidecar wheel's going to end up. But she just tracks through mainly. Woohoo! Just got to be aware. You know, if there's a log across the road, you can just duck around it on the bike, but in the Ural you've got to negotiate both wheels. Well, it looks like we've exited the forest. Nice little road. Oh, these are the big puddles. Oh no. The bank got a little bit steep. I didn't want to go in the big puddle in the middle. We made it though. Back into the farmlands, out of the bush. Now this is where we came up here and we said, whoa, which way? Let's go along this way just for a little bit and see what's down there. It's probably someone's driveway. Probably get chased out with a shotgun in a minute. Does this look like someone's driveway? Oh, my GPS just turned off. The stupid battery thing comes loose. I've got to give it a rattle. I'll stop and do that in a minute. That'll be my excuse if I end up on someone's front doorstep. Good thing about the Ural is you turn up on some farmer's front doorstep and they're too bewildered to shoot you. They just look at you like, what the heck are you riding? What are you doing here? What are you riding? Oh, this says, no, keep out, you bastards, it says. I think, private property, keep out. There you go. Alright, well, at least they've got a sign this time. Private property, keep out. Alright, quick, before the farmers get us. Up the hill, Uraling we go through the bush. Okay, well, I think it's time to head home, viewers. I've had enough adventure. I think I explored. Well, I went somewhere I haven't been before, but I don't think I went where I was intending to go, but I expected there to be shut gates there, so that was a nice surprise. So, well, look how green it is out here. Well, it sure is nice and green. Look at these green fields, fat cows. Road to explore there. Right. Nice refreshing breeze now. The sun is very hot, but it's a nice cool breeze. I should get up some speed. Okay, so I'm heading back north now. I'm on, I think it's Remembrance Drive or something. I call it a nice 80k road. There's the Big Apple, Tennessee Orchard. So I always come up this way. The motorway's way out on my left, and there's a railway line to my right. This is a nice 80k road. Just cruise along. Perfect for the Ural. Nice way to finish the ride off with a nice cruise back home up this road. And if I get to Bargo Pie Shop in time, I might be able to get a pie and a coffee. That'll be a bonus. They usually start to pack up and shut about now, but I might make it in time. We'll see what happens. It's just nice cruising. I think we're going under the motorway now. Yeah, there's the motorway. Stay off that. This is a nice road for the Ural. Well, let's see if we can get there in time to get a nice maggot bag and a coffee. Big truck. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on the Creaky Rider. Rainbow lorikeets flying overhead. Yeah, so awesome road. Good fun. The places the Ural takes you. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.